How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you suspect someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, there are some signs that you can look for to confirm it. The first thing you want to do is check their last seen and online status. If you cannot see their last seen or online status, they might have blocked you. However, they could have just disabled their last seen in the privacy settings as well. Next thing you want to do is look for the profile picture updates. If their profile picture never changes or if their profile picture has suddenly been removed, then they might have blocked you. Next thing you want to do is send a message. So when you send a message, if you see a message and only a gray tick sent but never two gray ticks or blue ticks, which means delivered or read, then they might have blocked you. Next thing you want to do is try calling them. If your WhatsApp call never rings and always says calling instead of ringing, they may have blocked you. Another thing you can do is try to add them to your WhatsApp group. Now, you want to tap on the add members option in your group. If you get a message that says you cannot add this contact, then you may have been blocked. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.